Yo, check this out. This is Wayne Wonder, representing for Warieka LTV. You see the vision, don't it? See the vision. Warieka LTV. Keep it locked.
No, I'm gonna tell you. We, us as bloggers, these are the issues that we need to address. You understand what I say? You see? Set the path for the youth, Share, like, and subscribe, and stay tuned to the channel. I don't know all this.
Now request to the tallest man in the world, out for run the World Trade Center hot. Slim and him not fat. I tell you where I'm going, my big shot. Come down, mouse, cause you're rough. Hey! Hey, Mr. Frankie Paul. Lift it, That's cool, do not frown. That's cool, I will pass over there. Can't call name too enough. Bumbo class. Hey! Hell! The secretary, the big. Hell! Go school, Kyle and Spillis. Bumbo class, too much name. Hell! Computer and it says you can't draw them note there. Yes. Get them again, cause problem. Yeah. Mr. Frankie Paul. Yeah. Say Mr. Nick Candy must say him short man. Say Mr. Nick Candy must say him short man. Junior Frost said that him long man. I mean him King Kong. I mean him King Kong. Me does a swing fun, a swing song, swinging on a swing song. Big Ben a go ding dong, Big Ben a go ding dong, ding dong, ding dong, ding dong, ding dong, ding dong. That's cool, I will pass over there. Can't call name too enough. Hell!
Great, it come out.
Hell! Go school, Kyle and Spillis. Too much name. Hell! Computer and it says you can't draw them down there. Yes. Get them again, cause problem.
This is a piece of creativity there. Where you come out of.
I tell her.
And that make me say him are the comeback king in a reggae. You know, see, you see, even I enjoy a period when him think dominant. You know, see, right on the front line. Because I remember I come up in the dancehall stream, late 80s, early 90s. You know, see it, enough sound, like we say, enough sound, it come out style keep.
For real.
You know, see it. And the man they are sing from in a Bob Marley days, from Lee Scratch period days, and way back when. A whole heap of work him put in, the music still. That's what I say.
That's true.
Yeah, man, it's a youth way, you know? Him deserve him choose. And where I observe with him, I wouldn't say him not take the music serious, you know. You don't know, because I'm craft, I'm art. Him take it serious, but it's like him have a relaxed vibes and approach towards like I'm playground, you know?
See?
Like him enjoy the whole development, the whole process. You see, from start till now. You see what I say? I can just enjoy himself. You see me?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Come back, King of Reggae, man. A whole heap of time, them man, they come bounce back, man. You can't write him off. You never can write off them, man. You see me?
You always a chat forward.
Yeah, man. You see, the recent time, him jump on the Jackie thing, man, and start market back himself again. And that him I do, you know. You see, I use film, little resource for market something, you know. Like him want to put out something new. Release all our new music or something like that too.
Yes,
you
sir.
see?
New music out for come a road.
Yeah. Watch out for that. You see, I make request to Alien Link, for Alien Link. Him and she collab something. We don't know serious that is what the development with that. But bottom line is marketing. Yeah, man. And definitely.
If you have some marketing strategy about yourself as an artist, you know?
Yeah. Me never hear what now. You see, we see him do it already, but I'm never. You see, even though I couldn't touch on the LGBT thing there because it tricky. You see, it's tricky because say it's critical for saying my fake. See?
It's critical to say my fake it.
Yeah.
So
see, it's kind of damaging. See, for the same thing when I try to promote, which is the music. You see, if there's no clarity within your action, and your action has say a certain thing, and then you find say they have ulterior motive why they do that, it can be really damaging.
True.
You see, because you play with people's feelings. Yeah, you play with people's feelings and them naturally feel the way them feel, and you there try for some publicity stunt or some financial benefit type thing. That can be a true, what I say? Yeah. And if I true, it again, I feel think that because I'm seeing where I'm in genre and in industry. You see? So I guess so now him and that buckle, him have the buckle to deal with. You see, but again, like I say, we have to just assume and we have to leave it at that. We can't do because it's wavy. You see it?
Yeah, but when I hear the Virgin will come out what they are, and I don't know, it's like an informing type of thing a go on where the Virgin come out when him talk to Wayne Lumsum, and him tell Wayne Lumsum things where no link to the question where the Virgin asks, you know what I mean? And him tell him things where not relevant to the whole story, but for him link and e-commerce. You see me I say? Because if you are going to mention something about e-commerce, then, in all honesty, you wouldn't go look for mention something like that if the man prepare and show you a thing. You see me I say? You da kiba, you know what I mean, and humble and know say, yo, that's I does that, but it look like to a man in a position and now him does a squeal. You see me I say? And you know what I mean? I take down some people too at the same time, you know.
Yeah. Yeah.
But it look like it's an informing type of thing where
The whole thing that was going on, that may I tell you say it can be a serious backlash.
yeah.
Again, with them publicity thing there. You see what I say?
Serious.
Because you see, so we that's why see, which is because the whole thing is a back and forth with a Magdalene, Moutagram and them type of proving thing that who is the it and who is the not. Which is why, really, it's not organically it's not organic to the craft where they might try to portray them or perpetrate. In any case, for them on social media, I discuss certain things and I brawl out one another. Them way there. So what I say?
But that coming like at the norm, where.
No, but them a step up. Them a say we got regardless of where it want to come in like the general like the health factor behind it. And the sustenance behind it, we are not planning up.
That's what me did I say in what they are say. The entertainers them overstand certain I don't know if a strategy are the word, but them overstand certain things in the business right now. Wherein if them say certain thing or them do certain things on them social platform that everybody has see, the bloggers them are gonna take it and run with it. You see me I say? And I think most of some of these entertainers, you see me I say, them use that as an advantage.
A marketing strategy,
Yeah.
I hear when them discover, any publicity are publicity. Good publicity, bad publicity.
A publicity.
It make them trend still. That's why Tanya Stevens never want nobody call Richard Stevens' name, and she never want to call him name because she never want him trend. For the basic fact, she never want him trend. Because I'm a trend now still, even though him name a call upon them grievous things there. You see? Yeah.
Dread.
At least in trend for a week or something like that until people realize the substance behind him thing. You see what I say?
Yeah. It look, I don't know, it look serious pan film side. I don't know, him should have really just like how him address the China lady issue Zane with him.
You call that address, brother?
Well, him make a statement, don't it? Him come out and make a statement then.
That look like he make about 5 statements and cut them up and put them together. Put them in a one.
Then
a statement is like what the girl do.
My feel say him should have do the same thing regarding, because even if Tanya Stevenson not calling name, Zane, and that is the narrative where most ones are going with, that him is the one where one's link to the whole thing. Then him should address it. Him should say something regarding it, because I don't know.
No, him not have to regard. Him not have to regard. Him not have well at that no.
Have no regard.
Him not have to regard what go on out here, because at the end of the day, I know we are basically, see, I know him are go up against in any case. And the person where he would go up against and defend himself against not really call him name. See. The media, it is alleged. See. And at the bootleg media, the up top media still not said nothing. Even as a whole, if there's so much female in the industry, I make a certain speech. If you notice, the official media them not make no representation or no.
No.
See.
Nothing.
Just no official right watch out. Me not talk about, you mentioned, me not talk about, Tanya Stevens alleged that she was raped. Me not talk about, what's your name here? Macadamia man come out and say such as. Me not talk about that. Them little headlines. Me talk a dig deep in root investigation in the culture to see where, even if you can't prove it, straight up, but see where it's possible for all of them things. I don't type of thing happen.
Where you try
You
to
know
kill
me
her?
Eh?
No, we are saying where you try to kill it. Look like some mosquito you try.
No, one little fruit fly there fly around my thing, man. But when them pass the camera and look big. Can fly. What am I mess around the light? You see it? So we are laughing. I just have it.
Yeah. Sorry for break the eye thought still. Yeah, my feel say him should have, you know what I mean? Him should have said something, but as you said, the media itself not really. And here what too, I feel like most people, you know, even consider some of them these media outlet anymore as the media, you know. I
But
think
brother, you know, for where you would have want that guy that said. Where you want that guy that said, I am sorry.
Me no, well, is I know what me would have want him say. Is what him know say him have to come and say.
Where you think would have come out at him? Where you think could have misspine, given the whole thing?
All right, the two things him probably could have come and say. Him probably could have come and say, him or not him. You see me as say? It's either a him or it's not him. And on stop call up my name because I know me. Or if I may, boy, I don't know. What gonna be the repercussion of him saying a him? You know, that would be detriment to, you know, his character and also probably his career. I don't know.
Yeah, but that's not just it. You know, when I look upon is the disregard by certain females in society. You know, particularly the media, the parliament, and them type of thing. So I say my brother, because a serious allegation them. See? And it's a big chunk of the market that affect, you know, because the Asia market that, you know, brother. See? So we have to sacrifice all of that for one man, to protect one man. What kind of secret that man they have? So, that's you prepare for sacrifice. I do, then we do anything to kill reggae, you know. That boy, they are going to one plan is another subject. It's again, you know, Rasta. Then we do anything for kill reggae. So you never know if them are not gonna watch the fire they are build and just hope so you at least hear that done. Them not gonna publicize. You never hear them, you know, statistics on the growth, the development, or the resource of reggae. Yeah? You never hear that officially in Jamaica. Jamaica not have nothing to do with the Jamaica no business with that, and yet still is a big economic contributor to the national economy. You see me?
True.
In Jamaica, not pay attention to them things. I mean, in Jamaica, we make that, you know, Rasta.
Probably them not have no control over it.
No, probably because of Babylon, them, and at them, the music are born, them can't afford to embrace it and promote it and push it. Themselves are the only superpower that where black people have. And that's our superpower. And we don't hurt nobody with our one. But to affect, we create and do more. We create more effect with our one than anybody else. Because again, you know, my brother are the only music where political and it challenge the norm and them little skullduggery where them are going with. You know, see it? So our politicians demand a dictation. So they have to maintain the status quo by numbing and dumbing down reggae as much as possible. You see it? It almost like Britney, man, you know, so the what? Probably about 2000, let's say about 2005 come up Rasta the man, them just start lock down every pub, every little way where Jamaican hang out for the simplest of reason,
Yeah,
them
man.
Rasta. You see it until the Jamaican social scene no longer exists. You have to do it illegally, you have to hide and have a social gathering as taxpayers. You know, see. I remember I looked on a policeman and asked him why him don't just have a patrol respect in the area vicinity of where Jamaican things are going, because obviously, yeah, shooting and little act of violence will go on and things like that. And say, I get no pay for watch the particular people. My next question is, why am to that program they want to have on TV when they binge Britain? Go on there, park up all our whole riot van in some town center with beer. People there, a drink. We're not going to make it look racist. But be it people there drink, all them do a get drunk and punch off of one another and drop on the sidewalk and chip off them knee or them chin and them thing there. We don't have ambulance there to put them in. We don't have how much squad of police there just for part fight and them because something. Them not really kill themselves. Them not do it in a way where that devastating like how the black youth that will come a Jamaican party come do it. You see, basically, we don't say we don't get paid for watch a set of people, but really and truly, we don't watch a certain, protect only a certain set of people. We, 90% or 98% of the people who will come a Jamaican party are ordinary, hard-working taxpayers them too. You see, the other 2% will come with certain little intention for break it up. If you mind sharp, them are not Jamaican neither by birth. In a whole heap of cases, it's not Jamaican by birth, causing disturbance here. And I've heard an occasion where them say, them do it because the police look into it, investigate it, because a yard is, them can mash up and them can, you know, see, you're all illegals anyway type of thing. You get what I'm saying? The police know it. You know what I'm saying? Them type of attitude and them little way towards them own roots. You know, see it, and eventually the culture get destroyed because it destroyed for them too. You know, see it.
That's how the
when
reality.
Check it out, our own black people destroy them own black culture. Boy, you see, them rather be well behaved and integrated in the high street club and them thing the way them and everybody are dance. So you know, see. Yeah, to be fair, rather than have the raw band, you know, raw band culture a spring summer. No disrespect, and the truth. It happened. You see, it completely happened. You know, see every pub with black people hang out and every little location of them hang out, lockdown and stuff.
Yeah,
Shoot
man,
up.
all of them things.
You see?
All of them.
Shoot
all
up by the own, you see them on black youth. You know, see it? Yeah. And it's a whole economic process that them destroy a whole heap of people food.
Yeah, man.
Them lick out of them mountain. You know, see? And it was systematically done because I hear them say, the police tell them say it's okay to whatever yard is. This is what I say, but yes, Rasta.
Yeah, well, you know, there's whole part thing to that. As you say, as they said, people fire shot and you know, whole part thing.
Mindset. It's a mindset because we can't bad up nobody else but we one another.
Look there.
We are the only people we don't have no other outside enemy over the earth except ourselves, you know. We are the only people on planet where only see ourselves. Any mind is enough to be eliminated like that. You know? I'm not saying it should be, it shouldn't be that way in any case. You see, it shouldn't be done. It's immoral. Totally.
You see, but we don't know. Because, we are come and we see all these things for years, ja. You see me, I say? We see these pubs and all different places where, people make their money and eat them food. You see me? And them just crash and you wonder. And all of the local club them where reggae and dancehall music playing, you find out say all of them thing that gone now. Zin, the most alright, what me hear now is headphone party at unclosed or what I call it now.
Undisclosed location.
So you know what I mean?
Yeah.
So that I show
You
you
have to
say
clear and prepare your gas in your car and weed in your pocket, money in your pocket, and ready to go. You wait on that text there.
You know
to
what
get
I mean?
the postcode hours before the party kick off. And that are going on now for black and them desperate measures the black people have to take, just socialize. You see, and it becomes the norm, it's acceptable. Even the powers that be, see them sort of mental deprivation, them social deprivation there, and see it acceptable and allow it to happen more than councillors the one side that kiki.
Yeah,
Them go report it back to them MP friend and the MP friend laugh to it. It come from the business sector. Like the guys them where rent them the place them and think them and reflect back to them people in them meeting, them business meeting, how them a make money. Well, black people now they're doing the headphones parties and things like that. And a guy will ask, how that happen? What do you mean by it? I said, just have on the headphone and then go away quiet. They only can hear the music in there. Really?
No,
it must be clouded. Let's see the CCTV.
No, Virgin. No, watch ya. Me don't know about our next man still, but at Jamaica I come from, Zane. Jamaica I'm born, and when I go and dance, I want to see the sound string up, Zane. The box them thing they alright. The thing upgrade and it depend a different level where probably I go say them big box there and them whole thing they you know what I mean? But overstand that.
Jamaican dance I tell a story.
Right.
Select them DJ them I tell a story all night. See? So you stand up there, interact with them are looking at your eye. Them are convince you. You and them are interact is like, you know what I say? We now work together. See? Yo, who love weed like me? If you love weed like me, yo, I this know that do, I this you do, and then first thing me do when me we are some weed song. You see? And then you hear Babylon a run, but I'm like, oh, I just tune in and know and and be a weed tune. You talk about weed. It's a story I tell all night. You see, so if the interaction there, the animation there, not there, that a part of the whole process, my brother. Mm-hmm. You see, so when you take with that now, I don't know what left Rasta.
No left. And
when you look on the people in the dance, if you take off your headphone, if you are filming the dancer with your phone now, they say, promote the vibes. What you do? We have to no be a clown. Them are not clown, There are people that try to enjoy themselves through desperation. Desperate pressure.
Yeah.
But how it look when you observe it, it don't look natural. It don't look normal. You see? Yeah, I have people that will push it and promote it. I agree, so they might have make a change after it as a new added source of income, Rasta.
No,
but
watch out. Me nah the narrative where a man making money and eating food, That are not where. That's not the issue,
long term and the bigger picture, Rasta. I feel that that kill it defeat the culture.
Of
They make a quick
course.
food this but later on, where you make food after? Cause the
No,
culture
but
not dead yet.
look how them deal with us as a people. Look how them deal with us as a people. Now watch here. You see the you see because the regular man them or the local man them, not go get the big club them for playing, You understand?
Yeah,
Is the man them who depend the radio station them, Zane,
yeah,
the mainstream radio station them as DJ, and
yeah,
I play reggae pan radio and dancehall and them thing there. At
yeah,
them virgin that I get the space for play in a club and them something there. You see me I say? You know really I see them DJ that I do no we call it headphone party. You know see Radigan doing headphone party and these things.
yeah,
You know you know what I mean? You
yeah.
don't see
So
that.
basically, you have to go get, you have to reach to us, you have to bridge the class gap now in order to get back a bit of the authenticity legally.
No, no, what have gone on, man? The thing them broke down the whole thing, Virgin. From where me see the thing I come from to the thing supposed to excel. Zane, it
Yeah,
has regress, it has down press.
yeah.
You
And
see me,
that
I
way
say,
I
me,
say,
Ja?
from the grassroots that they again. You see it. So it's like you cut off the root. So I just up the so I go and flourish until it's dead. You see it.
Yo,
So when they say bridge the gap, because of them man they are DJ up there, so you can go get a bit of party and know without the headphone. Again, them man they will go DJ for certain class of people. You see it. So I like say the ghetto them a DJ for. And I every ghetto man are most ghetto people can't afford for going to them club they are not even allowed to go listen to them. I juggle some music. You see?
but Virgin, here what? Here what? Me hear what you say now, but hear what too, me, Ja. Cause a two side to the kind, And we have I think we have a split justice, even though but all right. When you have some places, Zane, and you know say yo, every weekend them place there I run and dance I keep in a them place there. And you hear dance I keep and by morning you hear say shooting go on and 2 man dead up at the dance at the venue up there so where Jamaicans them a keep dance. Zane and 2 man dead or a man dead and now them thing that is a defect is it not do we no justice. You see me I say? It not
Yeah.
do we no justice because once them thing they are going, that are the quickest thing them are going to
No.
use now.
Here what now. You see me? Here me level off the thing. I'm so I go. Sorry for interrupting, but I'm kind of so I go still. You see what I say? See, yeah, we are much of percent. But there's a underlying factor for
Yeah,
that
man.
behavior,
All right.
depraved behavior from us. And different from the psychological factor, there is a separate entity manipulating the process as well. You know what I say? For speed along the self-destruction.
Yeah, man.
You see, I'm telling you, say, me hear you would say, me can call you with name. And a Jamaican girl, me see him rush to in a dance and I talk about, oh, illegal yard girl. Oh, the police don't tell us this. You're all illegals and oh, we can do anything with you. They want me no investigation here. And I tell him I go on. And I bench and a gunman, me I tell you about,
See.
British gunman, black man. You know, see? Tomorrow morning, him gonna line up at the Jamaica shop in the queue, away from him turn, for collect him food, for buy him food decently. Because them not eat nothing else. You see, no disrespect, this is not a disrespect to I downgrade and degradation of any man. Let's show you what our reality is. Whether, you can't dislike me for repeat what really a go on out there.
No, but that a go on, but the reality is them said youth there, them said British youth there, them mother and father are Jamaican there.
Yeah.
Them mother and father. So me no overstand because them are Jamaican too, the only thing, them only born in England,
Brother, let me tell you straight. Every black youth are Britain and Jamaica. Them not accept no other culture.
Or them are African then.
All the African them, so you see the African and ask somebody, brother, me say all the African them to accept the culture. You know, see, it's like if them are African, then them are Jamaican. Put it away there. You know, see, not take it from them. All of them understand Patois and can talk Patois too. You hear them. Australian man, even an Irish man talk to them good have to ask him. Why say that again? Pardon me? And all them way there. You see, the Jamaican talk them know what I'm saying.
Straight.
Even if them not repeat, them not answer him in a patois, which them can do, them know them understand it clearly and now if you talk to no man boy in English. I tell you. You know, see, I feed them culture too. Them not embrace no other culture. Me love that, me appreciate love that. Me just show you which part we divided and how we weak ourselves, which is the reality right
there. We are fight against ourselves, man. Whether we born in England or we born in Jamaica, we are still said we are the same judgment ball people. So whether I want to say boy illegal or you know what I mean, them thing they know, me don't know. That sound away. That
self-appreciation that man, because at the end of the day, me say no other race no do that, man.
You see it?
No other race no do every race knows a community building is strength at the greatest strength them have, no matter what other resource them have. You see, them knows a true community building and you know what I say? Yeah.
We're in
a better strength.
Yeah, you have some virgin where them born on ya so and you me broke some virgin where them man born ya son me I tell you would never know so them man born in England, virgin. You'd never know so you'd never know if the man say if the man tell us say England them born, you would never know so them man born in England.
Yeah, man.
You see it? You'd never know.
Yeah, man.
And them man that, them virgin.
You have holy for man like that, man. You have holy for youth like that, man. But true. Like them have a wider understanding. Them not holding no grudge. Them not holding no bigotry. Them not have no farmer. You know what I say? Them just know say, I am that and I mean this.
Yeah.
No matter how he is. You see what I say? Militant. But
militant,
again, a proving thing because we don't have nobody else to prove pan but one another. We can't prove pan nobody else. No matter how much people out there from wherever or what. You see? Can't prove pan nobody else.
Can't prove pan nobody else. Yes,
can't bring badness to nobody else, my brother.
You see me?
Can't bring that to nobody else. I'm going one idea.
Yeah, man, that they damage the whole, you know what I mean, the proving thing and no, because no other nation as the ISN do that, everybody must bill, that is the only thing where I beat us, and the rest of the world who see that and know that I use that as an advantage to said way because them see say, we're not together.
Stereotype with it.
Eh?
Even though we not be violent against them, them use that our bigger
Yeah, man.
as us being a threat to them because we have propensity to kill each other. Not them, not nobody else, but everybody else see we as a threat because of that.
You see
You know,
it?
see?
Yeah. Serious. A serious thing, my lad, when I check it out.
But then again, I wouldn't know why neither because if you cannot do yourself, so what we wouldn't do, won't wait for move at somebody else. It's unperceivable as far as for the morals is concerned, concerning each other, community building and community development. Every other race, it's unperceivable for see themselves do each other that on the scale that we do. You know, see?
Mm-hmm. True.
Right now, my brother, nobody gonna kill black people like black people.